Are you looking for the top 5 best camping stoves for outdoor cooking? How much should you actually spend on a camping stove? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Gas One GS3400P stove. The Gas One GS3400P caught my eye right away with its dual fuel capability, allowing you to use either butane or propane. Priced at just $27.52, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to cook outdoors. If you want flexibility in your fuel choice, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual fuel feature gives you options depending on what you have on hand, which is super useful if you're camping in remote areas. The automatic piezo ignition means you won't need to fumble with lighters or matches, making it easy to start cooking right away. Plus, it's lightweight at only 3.1 pounds, so it's easy to pack along on your trips. With over 8,000 units sold just this month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the lack of a built-in windscreen, which can make cooking in breezy conditions a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're camping in a sheltered area or plan to cook in calm weather, this isn't a deal breaker at all. It still offers great value. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, flexible stove for casual camping trips. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme weather conditions. For the price, you really get a solid product. Now, if the lack of advanced wind protection bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Gas One High Pressure Burner. The Gas One High Pressure Single Propane Burner really stands out with its heavy-duty design. Although the price isn't listed, it's designed for serious outdoor cooks, aiming for high output. If you want something built for performance, this burner is worth considering. What makes this burner a must-have? It delivers a steady, continuous flame for fast cooking, meaning you can get your meals ready much quicker. With its heat shield, you're protected from splashes and heat damage, which is crucial when cooking outdoors. Plus, it's made from durable materials that can withstand a lot of use. Think backyard cookouts and tailgating. People rave about its reliability, with over 4,000 units sold just last month. Now, some users have mentioned that it takes a bit of time to get used to controlling the heat. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the cooking speed and efficiency are totally worth it. This burner is perfect for those who want a professional cooking experience outdoors. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual weekend setup. Considering its high quality, it's a great investment. All right,
Product number 3, Coleman Triton 2-Burner Stove. Next up is the Coleman Triton 2-Burner Propane Stove, a popular choice among campers. Priced at $83.99, it offers a lot of cooking power with 22,000 BTUs. If you're looking for a reliable stove for group camping, this is definitely worth a look. Why should you consider this stove? It features 2 independently adjustable burners, giving you the freedom to cook multiple dishes at once. The wind guards are a nice addition, helping to keep your flame steady even in breezy conditions. Plus, the chrome-plated grate makes cleanup a breeze after your meal. With over 3,000 sold recently, it's clear people trust this model for their outdoor adventures. However, some users found it a bit bulky to transport, but I'll be real with you. If you're camping with a group, that extra size means you can cook more at once, which can really save time. This stove is perfect for families or friends who want to cook together outdoors. Skip this one if you're a solo camper looking for something ultra portable. For its power and features, it's a solid value. Now, if portability...
Product number 4, Fire Maple Fixed Star 1. Let's talk about the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 backpacking stove. At $39.95, this one is a fantastic compact option for those on the go. If you want something lightweight and efficient, you should definitely check this out. So what makes it stand out? This stove uses advanced heat exchange technology, which minimizes wind impact and reduces boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional stoves. Weighing just 18 ounces, it's designed to fit all accessories into a single cook pot, making it ideal for hiking trips. Plus, the built-in piezo igniter means you can light it quickly without any hassle. With over 2,000 units sold recently, folks are clearly impressed. However, some users reported that it doesn't come with a fuel canister. Here's the thing though, it's compatible with most canisters, so as long as you plan ahead, that's not really a deal breaker. This stove is perfect for backpackers and solo adventurers. Skip this one if you need a stove for larger group cooking. For its efficiency and compact design, it's a great buy. Alright, that was a fantastic option for backpackers, but if you want something with a bit more power for casual cooking, check out this last.
Product number 5, Gas One Portable Butane Stove. Finally, we have the Gas One Portable Butane Camping Stove. This model doesn't have a listed price, but it's known for its high output at 7,650 BTUs. If you're looking for something simple and reliable for small meals, this stove is worth your attention. What's the benefit here? It's designed to boil water quickly and efficiently, which is perfect for quick meals while camping. The automatic ignition makes it user-friendly, and it's compact enough to take anywhere. Weighing in at just 3.1 pounds, it's the kind of stove that's easy to throw in your bag. It's been sold over 2,000 times this month, which shows it's a popular choice. Now, some reviews mention that it might struggle with larger pots, but honestly, if you're just cooking for 1 or 2 people, this stove handles small meals perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a portable stove for quick cooking. So to quickly recap, the Gas One GS3400P is great for flexibility. The Gas One high pressure burner is perfect for serious cooks. The Coleman Triton offers excellent power for groups. The Fire Maple is ideal for backpackers, and the Gas One portable butane stove is great for quick meals. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.